Hi and welcome to this video. My name is Brian Nelson from Encaustic Art Plus, based in Elsica, South Yorkshire. Hi everyone, welcome to the video. I'm just going to start taping down some A4 paper to the hot plate, and because otherwise it'll do what it's just done. Right, first things first, we've got to get some wax onto our paper. The quickest and easiest way of getting a large amount of wax onto the painting card is to use the iron. So I'm just going to melt some purple, some green, some orange, all on my iron, and I'm just going to get it on here. Orange. And I'm just lifting up and down and smooching around. Blue. More green. Red violet. One more orange. So yeah, the more wax we've got on there, the more excitement and exciting things we can do. Right. I'm going to turn the hot plate down a little bit now to the medium heat. So about 7, 8, somewhere around there. And then we'll start making some marks and things. So I've just got a piece of tissue to start with. I'm just going to pop it in and give it a shuffle around. And we can use this painting knife. We're sort of digging in, pulling round, digging in, pulling round. Creates like a rock effect. Coming down here. Let's do these a bit faster. Can get some of the blocks, perhaps some yellow. Similar sort of movement in. Take this comb with the teeth in. Oh, I should get a doily. Coming in later, not yet. Okay, because the doily is there, I'll show you how that's going to work. So what we're going to do with that, just fill up an area with some wax and get it on the doily. Like so. Put the doily face down and then iron over it. because this is on the hot plate, should be quite interesting. You can do this without the hot plate as well. It'll give you a crisper finish. You can just push down, just tap it down, or use your sponge, in theory. Yeah. Gives you something else, another pattern. Just doing lots of different techniques. I'm just grabbing a block of wax and just tapping around with the sides of it. Take a look, a great big fantasy castle straight away. Really quite fast to work like this. Got the path. Round block. So we just start putting some symbolism in to create something sort of recognisable. One of the other things we can do is to get one of the painting knives just scrape round. It should become more moonlight now. Bottom of the castle off. Texture around there. Then just start working with the bits of wax that are in the corners, to fill in the corners. Second bit of tape, a bit of a purpley colour, blend that up, edge it block, and then just take the knife, there we go, that's it. Fill that corner in such a way that you wouldn't know it weren't like that in the first place. Third corner off. Again, similar colours. Got a bit of green down here, so I'll just pick a bit of that up on the knife. Just taking a little bit of colour in. last piece of tape coming off. Get back a bit of doily. Do some more work on some doilies as well. Just show you those working different ways. I'm just using the thing to press down the heat underneath. It's come out alright, that. Moon can be enhanced with some light actually. And when that moon sets, what I'll do, put a little bird flying through it. It'll be quite cool. So I'll need to set that off the heat, let that set for a while. I'll probably not do the bird on camera, but thank you for watching, take care. Happy painting everyone, and we'll look forward to seeing you all in our next video. Please hit like and subscribe.